Okay. We're going to practice roll up. Make sure your feet are hip width apart. Knees are hip width apart. You can put a block between your knees or a fold towel. Okay. Make sure the base of the spine is in a straight line with the back of head. When the spine is straight, make sure rolling the shoulders back and down. Draw the belly in. When prepared, roll up. Vertebrae by vertebrae, back to the seated position. Breathe out deeply. Breathe in. Straighten the spine. Abs in, shoulders back and down. Bend the elbows. Roll back. From the base of the spine, from the lower back, to the middle back, to the upper back, and to the back of head. Do it vertebrae by vertebrae. Breathe out deeply. When prepared, adjust your body first. Good. We're going to try once again. Take oxygen. And ready, roll up. Excellent. Breathe out deeply. Release the contraction.